What taxes need to be filed after a death in Arizona? Hi, I'm attorney Paul Delary, and I'll answer that question in 3 parts. When someone passes away, it's not just an emotional time for the family, but it also brings certain financial responsibilities, including taxes. So let's break down what you need to know. Part 1, federal income taxes. The deceased person's final federal income tax return is due by April 15th of the year following their death. This return covers income earned from January 1st to the date of the person's death. Now, as the personal representative, you'll need to file Form 1040, just like the decedent would have if they were still alive. It's important to note all sources of income, including any from investments or retirement accounts. Now, this can be a complex task, especially if the deceased person had various income sources. So consulting a tax professional is often advisable. Also, make sure that you indicate that the person has passed away and provide the date of death. Part 2, state income taxes. You'll just like with federal taxes, you'll need to file a final state income tax return for the deceased person. This return is filed with the Arizona Department of Revenue using Form 140. Now, the process is similar to filing the federal return covering income from January 1st to the date of death. Remember, Arizona's tax laws might have specific nuances, so it's crucial to be thorough and seek the guidance from a tax expert familiar with Arizona tax laws. We usually use the CPA. If you can find the deceased person's CPA, that would actually be really great, because that person's going to have record of where the sources of income were in previous years. Okay, Part 3, federal estate taxes. Although Arizona doesn't have a state estate tax, there may still be a federal estate tax to consider. Now, this depends on the size of the estate, meaning the net worth of the deceased person. Federal estate tax is only applicable if the estate's value exceeds the federal exemption limit, which is subject to change each year. I'm not even going to mention it because it would be obsolete next year. Okay, but just check what the exemption amount is for the federal estate tax. If the estate does exceed this threshold, you'll need to file a federal estate tax return using Form 706. Now, it's important to assess the estate's value carefully, including all assets, investments, and real estate. Dealing with taxes after a loved one's death can definitely be overwhelming, but understanding these 3 areas, federal estate taxes, federal income taxes, state income taxes, and federal estate taxes can definitely help start you on the right foot. Remember, this is general information, and it's always best to consult with a tax professional for specific guidance related to your situation. If you have more questions or need assistance with probate matters in Arizona, give us a call at 602-443-4888. I'm attorney Paul Delary, and this is Probate Made Simple. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content, and thank you for watching.